Hi everyone, this is Angel Valdez for Full Sail University server-side language. Basically, this is the screencast for the Fruits database homework. You can see right here the Fruits database homework. I'm just gonna demonstrate the actual functionality. So this is the page. If I enter a new fruit, let's say that I enter the tangerine, which is going to be, let's say that's going to be yellow, and I click on add. You can see right there how the record is coming up. I'm going to enter the tangelo, which is going to be orange, yellow, and I click on add, and you can see right there the new record. And if I click on delete, it's going to prompt, are you sure? If I cancel, it will not delete the record. If I click on delete again and I say yes, I'm sure about it, then it's gone. Let me show you the actual SQL database and table. Here is the fruits table with the different fruit ID, fruit name, and color columns and the characteristics. The content, you can see right there. Actually, what hasn't been refreshed. So let me close or click on a different table and go back and refresh it. So we can see the new records for tangerine that we added. And let me now show you the page. This is the fruits page with some styling, the initial form to input new fruits, name and color, and the submit button. We can see right here how I construct the table with the headers and then some PHP code to open the connection when I'm doing an insert only. If I'm doing an insert in a post, it's going to get the fruit name and color, pass it on to the insert statement through the bind params, the values, and then eventually execute the whole statement with the parameters and everything. So it's going to go ahead and insert that record onto the database. Now, after that, it's going to go and connect to the database and do a select and fetch all the records in the database, and then construct for each of those records, construct a row displaying the fruit ID, name, and color. And on top of that, is going to add this action additional column that is going to have the delete hyperlink with some confirmation. So that's about the fruits PHP, the delete fruit PHP. You can see right here how I'm doing the connection again, but this time I'm preparing a delete statement that I'm going to pass only one parameter, which is the fruit ID. It's going to execute, and then after that I go back onto the fruits page, the original page, by changing the header's location, and that is the reason why I have the this statement at the beginning to enable the modification of headers and so on. That's everything about this statement. Oh, before I forget, of course, I have my pseudocode. I have my flow chart. Right there, you can see the flow chart that basically it starts on the page where I display the ID, name, and color, and then based on the action of the user, they can either go through the inputting a new, deleting an existing record, which is going to confirm it. If they really want to delete, it will delete on the database. If not, it will go back to the page. Or they can choose to enter a new fruit, ID and name and color, and then go on to clicking on the submit button, validating the data because the data is required, and then inserting the record. Otherwise, it's going to go back and display an error if the data is not valid, and go back to the original page. Here is my legend, and the pseudocode of the basic functionality of the application is also right there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much.